Hi, and welcome to the first episode of Gifts Genuine Insights from That Story. In this initiative, every episode will have an interesting story, and at the end, we will try to understand top 3 genuine insights or learning from that story. Today's story is based in a small village in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Abhishek Tripathi is an engineering graduate who becomes the officer for the Gram Panchayat of this small village called Fulera. The exam which he gave as a backup becomes the only job option for him after his engineering. With almost zero excitement, he joins this job where Pradhan of the Panchayat, Brijbhushan Dubey, is an ambitious politician who aims to become like Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel one day. In the last election, due to government's mandate to have women in the election, he makes his wife Manju Devi stand for election and wins the same. Now, though she is the official Pradhan, he becomes Pradhanpati or husband of Pradhan, managing all activities of the Gram Panchayat. One fine day, our Abhishek gets a work of getting the walls of the village painted with family planning slogans. One of the slogans say, "दो बच्चे मीठी खीर, उससे ज़्यादा बवासीर," which literally translates to "two children are like sweet dish and more than two are like piles." The villagers with more than 2 kids start a revolt against the Panchayat Development Officer Abhishek and our Pradhanji for this slogan and want it to be removed from the walls. They warn that all the families with more than 2 kids will not vote for him in the next election. This is not removed. Tensed, Abhishek goes to convince his superior only to know that the slogan was deliberately made like that so that it has a desired effect, and the district magistrate is very particular to have this slogan. He also learns that not having it might get him and also the Pradhan face disciplinary action. Now the Pradhan is in deep dilemma as to what decision to take. Late night, when he is thinking about the situation, Manju Devi asks him what's wrong in the court. She asks him to go to the wives of those villagers who are against it and ask them the difficulties they are facing in delivering and bringing up more than 2 kids. She even says to have her name below the slogan and she is ready to take responsibility. She openly challenges him to do the right thing, not worrying about hurting some people. This makes Brijbhushan Dubey really think about it. Next morning, he calls every Panchayat member and declares that he is with the decision to have the slogan on the walls and doesn't care if that makes him lose the next election. Surprisingly, he gets support from the Upapradhan also. He tells the members to go and convince the villagers using the analogy of a warning sign on the cigarette box, which was given to him by Abhishek Tripathi. After all the members leave the office to reach out to villagers, Abhishek gets a call from his superior saying that the particular slogan in discussion is now not mandatory and it is up to them to put it or not. This decision was taken as in some other village, Panchayat office was burned by villagers due to this issue. But now our Pradhanji is very clear about the decision and sticks to it, remembering Sardar Patelji and his dream to become like him one day. Hope you all enjoyed this interesting story. Let us now discuss the genuine insights from that story. 1. Assertive communication is very critical in life and one needs to develop this style of communication. 2. Decision making can be difficult sometimes and it can be made easy through right consultation. 3. Confidence is something which differentiates a leader. If you want to have a good understanding of these characters, please watch the series Panchayat on Amazon Prime for some excellent performances as well as entertainment. Take care and see you in the next episode of Gifts.